Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be a full face black and silver makeup tutorial. All products that I've used will be in the description area below, and if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. Now first I'm going to start off with shaping and filling in my eyebrows. Next I will be setting them with my eyebrow gel. Then I will be cleaning the edges of my eyebrows with a Q-tip. Now my eyebrows are done, so I will be starting my eye makeup. Now I am prepping my eyelids with NYX Layin Low Paint Pot as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm blending the edges of my eyeshadow base with a finger. So now I'm going in with Anastasia's Beverly Hills Subculture Palette. Now I'm taking 2 shades of this palette and I'm placing that in my outer lid and crease. As I place this color in my crease, I'm using patting motions and I'll blend it out as I go. Now for this next step, I'm taking Marilyn Monroe collection palette from Wet n Wild, and I will be blending out the edges of my crease with it. Now next I will be taking the shade Dawn from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture Palette, and I'll place that right in my brow bone area. Next I will be taking Inglot's gel liner in the color 77, and I will be placing that all over my eyelid as a base for the color that I will be placing on top of it. Now next I'm going to be taking the same brush that I used to place my crease color in to blend out the edges of that black base. Next I'm taking MAC's Black Tide eyeshadow to place on top of that black base. Now I'm going to go back and blend the edges without any additional product. Now I'm going to take these 2 glitters from NYX and some glitter glue and place it on top of my eyelids. Next I'm going to take Colourpop's eyeshadow in the color Tassel, and I'm placing it in my tear duct area for brightness. Next I'm going to put on some waterproof mascara. Now I'm going to take some eyelash glue and place it on top of my lash line. Now that my lash glue is tacky, I'm going to put on some false lashes. Now I'm going to use the same Inglot gel liner and place it on my bottom lash line and waterline. Now I'm going to use the same colors that I used for my crease to blend out my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to continue to blend out the edges. Now I'm placing some mascara on my bottom lashes. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go to the face. So I'm going to use the All Nighter Primer by Urban Decay and Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation in the shade Coconut. Next, I'm going to take Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 385 to highlight and conceal. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and blend out my concealer. Now I'm going to take another concealer from Kat Von D to do some contouring. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out that contouring concealer. Now I'm going to take Beauty Bakery's powder in the color Oat, and I'm going to set my concealer. Now I'm going to take a palette that I had made that's used for blush and highlighting and contouring to put some blush on, and then I'm going to highlight. Now I'm taking MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW45 to set the rest of my face and blend out the edges. Now I'm going to take Decay's All Nighter setting spray to set my face. Next I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills lip primer. Next I'm going to use my setting powder to make my lip color easier to be applied. Next I'm going to be using my favorite lip liner of all time, which is Cork Lip Liner. Now finally I'm going to be taking a lipstick by MAC by the color Yash. Well, the look is all complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care, y'all.